For those who have not kept up with the Orrin and Orson West missing Cal City Boys case, please go to the link in the description for a timeline of events. And although the boys' bodies have not been found, a Kern County grand jury, which convened late last year and heard from more than 50 witnesses, returned a 5-count indictment this week against the two, and an arrest warrant was issued by a judge. Both were indicted on 2 counts each of second-degree murder and willful cruelty to a child, along with 1 misdemeanor count of false report of an emergency. DA Cynthia Zimmer from the Kern County District Attorney's Office announced today in a news conference the details.
This morning, I'm saddened to announce that the investigation has revealed that Orrin and Orson West are deceased. The investigation has also revealed that they died 3 months before their adoptive parents reported them missing. Naturally, the first 2 counts carry the most time in state prison, murder. It is charged as murder in the second degree. That carries 15 years to life, but with 2 victims, the potential penalty, or the maximum possible penalty, if convicted, is 30 years to life for each defendant, Trezell and Jacqueline West. They are currently in the Kern County Jail waiting for an arraignment on the indictment, which will be tomorrow. There will be no preliminary hearing in this case because an indictment is a substitute for a preliminary hearing, and this case will proceed directly to trial. I'm not permitted to go over the facts of the case in this case, but there is something that I'd like to discuss because the facts of the case are to be what we produce in the jury trial, because we want both the prosecution and the defense to have a fair trial in this case. However, one of the questions that I'm sure you would like to know is, have the bodies of Orrin and Orson been found? And the answer to that is no, they have not been found. However, I would like to emphasize that the fact that law enforcement have not found their bodies does not preclude a murder prosecution. As a matter of fact, there have been many hundreds of what we call no-body homicides prosecuted across the United States successfully, and even no-body homicides have resulted in murder convictions in Kern County.
My heart goes out to the family members of Orrin and Orson West, and I hope that the adoptive parents get the maximum penalty and justice to be served for these boys. And for the sake of humanity, tell those parents where they are